plants aren't just greenery, some are living sculptures that transform spaces with bold shapes and striking forms. Architectural plants grown in containers bring drama, style, and structure to gardens, patios, and balconies. From spiky agaves to lush elephant ears, these statement makers redefine outdoor design in compact spaces. Here is a list of best architectural plants to grow in containers. Ornamental grass. It brings elegance and structure to any space with their tall, swaying forms and graceful textures. Acting as living sculptures, they add height, movement, and year-round interest to gardens or containers. From bold pampas grass to delicate blue fescue, these versatile plants create striking silhouettes that enhance modern and natural landscapes alike. Agave americana, is a striking succulent admired for its bold, spiky rosettes that create dramatic architectural impact. Its sculptural form and silvery green leaves make it a natural focal point in containers or landscapes. Drought-tolerant and low maintenance, this plant thrives in full sun, bringing structure, texture, and timeless beauty to modern outdoor designs. Snake plant, Dracena trifasciata, is a resilient architectural plant valued for its upright, sword-like leaves marked with striking green patterns. Ideal for containers, it thrives indoors or outdoors with minimal care. Its vertical form adds structure and modern elegance, while its air-purifying qualities make it both stylish and functional in any space. Yucca or Yucca gloriosa is a dramatic architectural plant with sword-shaped, evergreen leaves forming a bold rosette. Perfect for containers, it thrives in full sun and poor soil, requiring little maintenance. Its strong, upright structure and striking white flower spikes add sculptural beauty, making it a standout feature in modern gardens, patios, or outdoor landscapes. Croton, Codium variegatum, is a vibrant architectural plant admired for its bold, leathery leaves splashed with shades of red, yellow, orange, and green. Perfect for containers, it thrives in bright light and adds instant color and structure. Its striking foliage and upright growth make it an eye-catching focal point in patios, balconies, or garden settings. Hydrangea macrophylla, is a stunning ornamental plant known for its large, rounded clusters of blossoms in shades of blue, pink, purple, or white. Grown in containers, it creates a bold architectural presence with its lush foliage and vibrant blooms. Ideal for patios or shaded gardens, it adds elegance, color, and seasonal charm to any space. Bougainvillea is a bold, architectural climber admired for its dazzling bracts in vivid colors like magenta, orange, and white. Perfect for containers, it flourishes in full sun, creating cascading or upright displays. Hardy and low maintenance, this plant adds vibrant structure and tropical drama to patios, terraces, and garden landscapes year-round. Elephant ear, Colocasia esculenta, is an impressive architectural plant known for its massive, heart-shaped leaves that bring a bold tropical vibe. Ideal for large containers, it thrives in moist soil and partial shade. Its dramatic foliage creates instant impact, making it a stunning focal point in patios, gardens, or balcony spaces. Bamboo, Bambusa vulgaris, is a graceful architectural plant valued for its tall, slender canes and lush green foliage. Perfect for containers, it grows quickly and creates natural privacy screens or stylish backdrops. Its vertical structure and flowing leaves add elegance, movement, and a modern touch to patios, terraces, and contemporary garden designs. Clematis is a versatile architectural climber admired for its vibrant, star-shaped flowers in a wide range of colors. Grown in containers with a trellis or support, it adds vertical interest and seasonal beauty. Its lush vines and striking blooms bring elegance, charm, and structure to patios, balconies, and garden spaces. Coral Bells, Heuchera, is a charming architectural plant valued for its colorful, ruffled foliage in shades of burgundy, lime, silver, and bronze. Perfect for containers, it forms neat mounds that bring texture and vibrancy. Delicate flower spikes in summer add extra appeal, making it a versatile choice for patios, borders, and shaded gardens. Hosta is a lush architectural plant prized for its broad, textured leaves in shades of green, blue, and variegated patterns. Perfect for shaded containers, it adds structure and elegance with its dense foliage. In summer, tall flower spikes enhance its appeal, making it a striking feature in patios and garden corners. Cordyline is a striking architectural plant admired for its bold, sword-like leaves in vibrant shades of green, red, and purple. Ideal for containers, it thrives in bright light and adds vertical drama and tropical flair. Its colorful foliage and strong form make it a perfect focal point for patios and modern gardens. Cypress cupressus is a majestic architectural plant known for its tall, slender, and evergreen form. Perfect for containers, it adds height, structure, and elegance to patios or entrances. With its dense foliage and columnar shape, it serves as a natural focal point, bringing a timeless, formal touch to gardens and landscapes. Boxwood buxus is a classic architectural plant admired for its dense, evergreen foliage and ability to be shaped into neat spheres, cones, or hedges. Perfect for containers, it brings structure, symmetry, and elegance to patios, pathways, or entrances. Low maintenance and versatile, it adds a timeless formal charm to any garden design. Cactus cactaceae is a striking architectural plant celebrated for its bold, sculptural forms and ability to thrive in dry conditions. Perfect for containers, it adds texture, height, and a modern desert charm to patios and balconies. With minimal care needs, its unique shapes make it an eye-catching focal point in contemporary outdoor designs.